Okay, to click on the new icon and then click on the plus icon with media video and import the clip. Yes, import and click on 3 lines and duplicate because we need 2 clips to make this effect. So this is our clip. Let's see. ओके ये अभी अब इस क्लिप को पहले हम अलग कर लेंगे. ओके देन सेलेक्ट द फर्स्ट क्लिप, click on the first side plus and then marks, shape marks. Okay, then scroll down and on this option, yes, click on it and then select cloud. Okay, then scroll up, click on size and give a keyframe in the starting and decrease the value to 0 and another keyframe in the end. And फिर marks को हम पूरा बड़ा कर लेंगे until it cover a whole clip. Okay, here we go. Our marks is ready now. Then select. Okay, then select second clip. Click on, yes, plus पे click करेंगे. Then CC and basic correction. Okay, now decrease the saturation to make it black and white. Okay, -60 maybe is okay. Okay, little more, -17. Okay, this clip is ready. Now align both clips and here we go. As you can see, our color repairing effect is ready. Okay, it's looking beautiful. Now we're gonna make it more beautiful. Yes, just again click on first clip and then click on plus icon and search saber. Okay, then click on saber edge. Do not click on saber part, we need saber edge. Okay, so saber edge is little messy effect, so you can easily just copy my saber setting